Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, yeah. Será lo que será, yeah, yeah. Los dos vamos a matar, yeah, yeah. Toda esa curiosidad.
Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe video. If you're new here, I'm Tara, and I love sharing easy but healthy recipes that you can make right in your very own kitchen. Today is all about fried rice. I love fried rice. It's a great way to use up whatever you've got inside of your fridge or your freezer. Throughout the video, I'm going to be sharing lots of tips and tricks for using your Instant Pot. If you love easy Instant Pot recipes, hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, tap that red subscribe button below. I post new videos every Sunday. With all that said, I'm starving. So let's do this, shall we? The first thing that we need to do is rinse our rice. Do not skip this step. I'm using brown basmati rice, but you can use any kind of rice that you like. Rinsed rice is going to produce the best texture for fried rice. So after it's rinsed, drain it and grab your Instant Pot. You guys let me know you love the recipe cards I've been adding to the videos, so make sure you stay all the way through the end so you could take a screenshot of it for easy reference. Add the rice to the Instant Pot and then add your water. If you're using white rice, use a little bit less water than what I'm using here. Make sure all of the rice is submerged. Put your lid on. With my 6-quart Instant Pot Ultra, it automatically set to sealing if I selected pressure cook. With this 3-quart model, you have to make sure you turn the knob to sealing. Do not forget to do this because otherwise your Instant Pot will not come to pressure. Then come down to the control panel and we're gonna press the pressure cook button. On this model, that's what it is, and we're gonna go to 22 minutes. If it's white rice, you want 4 minutes, and then it just turns on by itself. A really great hack is to take out the bag of frozen veggies and allow it to thaw on the counter while the Instant Pot is doing its magic. It will really speed up the recipe. When the Instant Pot finishes cooking, it'll start counting up, and when it gets to 10 minutes of natural pressure, perform a quick release just like I did here, and when the pin drops, you can open up the lid, and then we're gonna fluff our rice. If you're enjoying today's recipe, I would be so appreciative if you would smash that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. Okay, back to the recipe. Fluffing your rice with a fork works much better than using a spoon. In this recipe, we are going to use warm rice. The best way to make fried rice is by using cold rice, but I wanted to show you guys you don't have to wait and let the rice cool off. You can make this right away and it is still delicious. It'll be more delicious if you allow the rice to cool, but trust me guys, it will still be absolutely delicious. Next, we're gonna hit cancel on the Instant Pot and we're gonna set it back to saute. Make sure it's on high. And then I'm gonna move the rice to one side. I'm grabbing my frozen veggies that I had thawing on the counter. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. And then I'm grabbing this spray bottle and my shallots. A really great hack to use less oil when you're cooking is to use one of these sprayers. I picked this up at Amazon. I actually have 2 different types. I will link the 2 that I have in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. You could, of course, just add all of the oil in at once, but doing it this way is so incredibly easy, and then you only use the oil that you need. You're welcome. And then we're gonna add our garlic. We did not want to add the garlic as soon as we added the shallots because of course we don't want the garlic to burn. Give it another little spray, and then we're gonna grab our eggs. I'm gonna use a couple of eggs to make this classic fried rice. If you don't eat eggs, of course, skip this step, or you could use any other type of protein that you like. Add the eggs in. If you notice, I pushed all of the rice to the side again. Grab a little bit of pepper and some salt, and we're really just scrambling up these eggs right inside of the pan. Super easy. and then we're gonna incorporate it into the rice. I highly suggest cooking the eggs a little bit more than I did here before incorporating them into the fried rice. The texture of the rice will be even better, but if you're impatient like me, you could just mix it all together. It will still be delicious. So just keep everything moving inside of the pot. That way it doesn't stick or burn on the bottom. Then add in those thawed frozen veggies. We're gonna add some soy sauce, some teriyaki sauce, and if you like toasted sesame oil, add a little bit of that in. It really gives such a delicious flavor. Stir everything together. Look at this delicious fried rice. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe. This veggie fried rice is packed with nutrients and protein. I absolutely love it for a quick lunch. But if you're feeling so inclined, saute up a few shrimp and throw them on top and it will be amazing. Such a perfect weeknight dinner. Question of the day, what is your favorite type of fried rice? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, tap that red subscribe button below. I would love for you to be a part of this community. I put together a playlist of some fast and easy mini Instant Pot recipes I'm gonna leave right here on the screen if you would like to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday for another delicious recipe. Bye guys.